In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a StreamYard account. StreamYard is a browser-based platform that makes live streaming and recording simple, so getting your account set up should only take a minute. All you need is a web browser and either a Google account or an email address you can access right now. Start by opening your browser and going to streamyard.com/signup. Make sure you type the address correctly and that you see the official StreamYard site in your address bar. If you think you'll return often, consider bookmarking the page for quick access next time. On the Sign Up page, you'll see two options: Sign up with Google or Sign up with email. If you prefer the fastest route and already use Google, choose the Google option. You may be asked to select your Google account and confirm basic permissions, and then you'll be brought back to StreamYard. If you'd rather not use Google, select the email option. If you're signing up with email, type your email address carefully. Double-check for typos and use an inbox you can access immediately, since a one-time code will be sent there. When you submit your email, keep the StreamYard tab open so it's ready for the next step. Now, open your email inbox and look for a message from StreamYard that contains a 6-digit login code. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment, then refresh your inbox. It can sometimes land in spam or a promotions folder, so check there too. If you request another code, be sure to use the most recent one, since older codes may no longer work. Return to the StreamYard sign-up page and enter the 6-digit code exactly as shown in your email. Take your time to avoid mixing up similar-looking numbers. Once the code is in, click Login. That click not only signs you in, it also automatically creates your StreamYard account. No password required. After logging in, you'll be taken to your StreamYard dashboard. From here, you can immediately start creating streams or recordings. Everything is web-based, so you don't need to install software. When you're ready, you can explore the options to set up a broadcast, invite guests, or record content, but for now, you're all set. And that's it. Your StreamYard account is ready to go. You've opened the sign-up page, chosen your sign-in method, confirmed the 6-digit code, clicked Login, and arrived at your dashboard. You're ready to start creating.